Okay, hi everyone. Well, I will explain about what is it. We will discuss about the skill 6 implied detail questions. Um, I think for the what is it? The informations, the material is already given to you. Yeah, I already prepare a video focus in explaining the material, and now we will discuss several questions related toward the skill 6 and also skill 7. For the skills 6 we have implied detail questions. Okay, we continue for the questions. For number 1, here are the what is the several question related toward the skill 6. Okay, it is implied in the passage that if a kayak has two holes, then okay, first of all, you have to know what is kayak here. Okay, then you don't need to read all of the things. You just focus toward the kayak there. Kayak is something like a canoe. You can see from the second paragraph here. Has been covered by the deck. A kayak is generally constructed with one opening. So there is one opening, there is one hole in the deck for one rider. So one hole for one rider. However, some kayaks are made for two. It means that if kayak has two holes, then the answer is A. It accommodates two riders. Okay, very easy, right? Number 2, it can be inferred from the passage that an example of the animal mentioned in the line 11 until 12 might be. So we check the last paragraph here. Eskimos have numerous uses of the umiya, which reflect the size of the boat. Yeah, for example, umiya is used to haul belonging from campsite to campsite and is used for hunting larger animals that are too big to be hunted in kayak. Kayak is the water transportations, right? So it should be the animal who live in the water, which live in the water. So for the options in the water is whale or the salmon. But this is for hunting larger animal. Which one is the larger? Of course not salmon, right? The answer is C. Number 3, it is implied in the passage that, it talk about the two types of trees from the same family, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, both evergreen. So there is a tree which never, evergreen means the tree which never turn brown. Which one talking about the trees never turn brown? Number D. The leaves of neither type of tree in the passage turn brown in the winter. Neither. Tidak satu pun di antara ini ya yang berubah kecoklatan ketika musim dingin. Jadi jawabannya adalah D. It can be inferred from the passage that the Sierra Nevadas are, okay, so the clue, Sierra Nevadas. So we have to check, we have to scan. Where is the information about Sierra Nevada? So we are here, we're scanning this, oops, I found it here. Sierra Nevadas, along the western slopes of the Sierra Nevadas. This is the clue. It should be the D, a mountain range. Number 5, which of the following is implied in the passage? Yeah, which of the following is implied the passage? Following implied in the passage. Yeah, which one from this one, from these options? So yeah, we can see here, redwood is the tallest living tree. Oh, this is the tallest living tree. So if there is information about the giant sequoia is taller than, of course, no. Yeah, because the redwood is the taller one. Okay. The California redwood is not as big, round as the giants. I have no idea about this one. The California redwood weigh more than giant. Hey, though not quite as the tall as one, which have of the blah blah blah, the genus is nonetheless the larger as the most massive of the living things. So it has, what is it? The weight more than 6,000 tons. So of course this is false also. A false, C false, B, I have no idea. Number D, other living things are larger than? No. So the answer will be B here. Yeah. As not big round as, because the big round is giant sequoia. Number 6, the French versions of Monopoly might possibly included a piece of property in title. We can see here, yeah. This one, in this game, okay. Where is we can find this one? This one. Although the game is now published in countless language and versions, so it is published everywhere with foreign locations and name and place names appropriate to the target language adorning its broad. So, for example, if this is the Monopoly game is published in Indonesia, so the name, what is it in the what is it in in the toy using the places in Indonesia. Jadi nama-nama tempatnya akan menggunakan nama-nama tempat-tempat yang ada di Indonesia. But because the French versions of Monopoly, so where is the place is famous in the French? Yeah, Eiffel Tower. D. Number 7 is A. It broke back good memories. Okay. You can see here actually. Where is this? This one. He said the original game not as might be expected in his hometown or Germantown, but in Atlantic City. Actually, he is from Germantown, but he used Atlantic City, New Jersey. Yeah, where he walked along the broad walk and visited the park place because it bring back good memories. Yeah. And number 8 is B. This is because here, yeah, check the word park place. Darrow made the first game by hand and sold them locally until Parker Brother purchased. So the one who purchased the right of the game, of course, this is related toward the game. It's not a real estate company. There is no, what is it, relations to talk about real estate company. This is just a game. And then game manufacturing company, this is the right one. Yeah, B, the answer. And then for the skill 7, answer the transition questions, just like what I've told you before, yeah, in the, what is it, in the video. If the question using the word preceding, so you have to check the first sentence in the first paragraph, in the beginning of the paragraph. But if the question use the paragraph following the passage, most likely the following paragraphs, so it means you have to check the last sentence in the last paragraph. Okay. Let's discuss about the questions. The paragraph preceding this passage most probably discuss, yeah, okay, preceding. So we have to check the beginning of the paragraph. Another program instrumental in the popularizations of science was Cosmos. So here, I guess it will be, what is this, the preceding paragraph will talk about the program instrumental also, but this is the other program instrumental, yeah, of science. Which one? Public televisions, this one, no, this one, A, the answer. And number 2, paragraph following this passage most likely contains formations of, let me check the last paragraph of this. The principal writer and narrator of the program was Carl Sagan, a noted astronomer, and Pulitzer Prize-winning author. So I guess it will be talk more about Carl Sagan and also the noted astronomer or Pulitzer Prize-winning author. Is there any? Yep, this one. Yeah, C. Number 3, the paragraph preceding the passage most probably discuss. Okay, let's check the first paragraph. When a strong earthquake occurs on the ocean floor rather than on land, a tremendous force is exerted on the seawater and one or more large, blah, 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 blah. Oh, we don't need to continue. We just need the beginning of the sentence. When a strong earthquake occur on the ocean floor. So this will be talk about the earthquake which happens on the ocean floor. So before this paragraph, they will talk about the same one, the strong earthquake, but it will occur on land. Is there any option which talking about the earthquake on the land? Yes, this one, C. Yeah, for number 3. Number 4, which of the following is most likely the topic of the paragraph following in the passage? Okay, let's check the last paragraph, in the last sentence of the last paragraph. When a tsunami reaches shallow coastal water, it can reach a height of 100 feet or more and can cause tremendous. Tremendous means very big, a great one, flooding, and damage to coastal areas. Oh, damage the coastal areas. Which one is talking about the damage? Talking about the cause of tsunami? No. Yeah, it could be destructive effect. Differences? No. This time no. So the answer is B. Destructive effect of tsunamis and on the coast. Yeah, because this talk about the damage. Next, number 5. Number 5 is C. Why? Because here, the paragraph preceding, let's check. While draft law are federal law, marriage law are state law rather than federal. Yeah, marriage regulation. Oh, this talk about the marriage. The marriage law is a state law. So before this paragraph, that will talk about the federal law. See. The topic of the paragraph following the passage is most likely to be, let's check. Some states which allow couple to marry at such a young age are now considering doing away with such early marriage because of the numbers negative effect of this young marriage. It will talk about the negative effect. Which one talking about negative effect here? Discussion of why some states allow, no. The age when parental, no. Reasons why, no. This A, disadvantage of youthful marriage. For the compilations of the skill 6 until 7 and also 1 until 7, I just give you the answer, yeah. For number 1 is A, number 2 is D, hammer. Yeah, for number 3, the explanation same like before. Yeah, you can do like what this is done before. For number 3 is A, in full group of people. Number 4 is A, also the effect of communal lifestyle, blah, blah, blah. Number 5 is B, the answer, yeah. Number 6 is B also, the CO will probably attack. Number 7 is A, united in the coast. And also number 8 is C, yeah. Receive their names from the Indian tribe living there. Number 9 is C, okay. Number 10 is C also. Number 11 is B. Number 12 is A. And then here we are. This is for the review exercise, skill 1 until 7. Number 1 is D, the history of Mason-Dixon. Number 2 is B, Pennsylvania was a non-slave state. And number 3 is A, about borders. Number 4 is C, they caused the boundary dispute between Pennsylvania and Maryland. And number 5 is A, a piece of rock. Number 6 is B, the Mason-Dixon line today. Number 7 is B, different type of mental disease. 8 is D, yeah, and 9 is A. 10 is B, yeah, 11 is B, and 12 is C, okay. And we have number 13. 13 is B. Yeah, television debates were instrumental in the outcome of the 1960 presidential elections. Number 14 is B. Also won the Democratic presidential nominations fairly easily. And number 15 is D, were the first presidential campaigns debate to be televised. And 16 is D, he was nominated on the first ballot. 17 is A, old enough to be president, and 18 is A, also John Kennedy. Yes, number 19. 19 is A, various extinct fish. 20 is D, that surprisingly is not extinct. 21 is B, 250 million years ago. 22 is C, yeah. And 23 is B, yeah, hollow spine. Number 24 is D. It moves its teeth in an unusual way. 25 is A, yeah, and 26 is C. And here, 27 is D, quite few. 28 is B, yeah, and 29 is C. Okay. Well, that's all the discussions of the skill 6 and skill 7. And for the next, please prepare yourself. Please answer the question, especially for the skill 8, 9, 10, and 11. So there are 4 skills that you have to prepare. Yeah. Thank you very much for today and see you everyone. I hope you don't have any problem about this one.